Network Entertainment.
Hello, Podkids. Welcome to Wake Up Chat Podcast. Okay, I know when you hear the word nutrition, you feel, parang sobrang toxic, ang daming misinformation, and there's sadly a lot of douchebags, and there's a culture nga of mga judgmental bullies, which makes today's episode something that we've been so excited to share with you, the Podkids, because it's not a lecture on calories or superficial diet rules. You know, it's something deeper. It's about energy. It's about emotions. It's about anxiety. It's about sleep and how food is actually connected to all of that. And we were so happy. Our new, really, really cool and good friends, Harvey and Aza, they are behind Baron Method. It's a science-based approach to nutrition. And they've had their clinic for 16 years and they've healed so many people. Later, you'll hear stories of them just by, the power of food, healed very complicated sicknesses. And it started with them, actually. So later in the episode, they'll share their personal stories of how they dealt with very, very complicated conditions and how food and nutrition help them. So, and if you're listening to this and you're 20 and you feel invincible, I would highly encourage you to listen even more because we actually talk about that. And if you feel like, wala naman akong alam sa nutrition or whatever, this is the perfect starting point because I think the reason why I love talking to Harvey and Aza is because it's a very human approach to understanding nutrition and basically the stuff we put in our bodies, and it's not all the 5 things you got to change today. Hindi siya ganon. So yeah, so even if you've never thought about nutrition before or you've felt overwhelmed by all the info, this episode is for you. We ask really, really simple questions, honest, and we had a really, really good time. They will have their own podcast, actually. It's called What the Actual Health. And I'm not sure if it'll be out by the time that this episode is out, but hopefully it is. It'll be on the show notes. So give them a shout out. Thanks, Podkids. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay.
Hello. So.
Okay. This is my first question. Okay. So you've obviously made a living out of telling people that food goes beyond being food.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
So, and now the world is filled with okay, magnesium is bad. And then tomorrow, magnesium is great.
Yes.
And then tomorrow is, you need 15 hours of sleep. No, you need 1 hour of sleep, whatever.
Yeah.
When do you decide, both in your clinic,
and practice,
in your practice,
Yeah.
in your content, and even you personally,
Yeah.
when do you guys decide na, okay, this shit is not, hindi na to peke,
Totoo na to.
totoo na to?
That's a really, really good question. I think that's the first time that's ever been asked.
In fairness, kaya nga parang ako, wait. Wala tayong answer for that.
Smart
Sige,
question,
good,
smart
good,
question.
good.
Okay, I'll give you an example. I guess this sort of thing that you said started with the egg. Kawawa ang itlog.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
So in the last 16 years we've been practicing, siguro the eggs being thrown left, right.
So
bad.
today it's bad, tomorrow it's good, the next day it's
Bad.
okay lang.
Good.
The next day,
bad.
the white is good,
Yes.
the yolk is bad,
Yes.
all of that.
Actually, now we know it's good. Okay, but to be fair, in our practice has evolved so many times. Yung egg sa practice namin in the last 16 years, and hundreds, even thousands of people have come through. Every time we recommend the egg, it's only
Always
become
been
positive.
Yeah, always been good. Always been good.
Okay.
How do you... okay, I'm gonna throw
Sige.
something out there, ha? Medyo controversial hot take.
Sure.
Please don't hate me. What if my brain goes to, syempre, funded ng egg
That's what we were about to say. Kasi when you go online, there's so many studies. There's
Diba?
so many,
The studies,
this is
oo,
good. It
yes.
said, studies have shown whatever. You always have to ask, yun nga, who
did
funded
the
it?
study?
Yeah.
Because the person who funded it has the most to gain from
Yes.
it most of the
Correct.
time. So in the case of eggs, for example, if you say that eggs are good for your cholesterol, it's not exactly bad. It's good for your good cholesterol. Who's gonna lose out? Who's
Tama.
gonna lose out? Harvey, kung nasa sumagot na.
Pharma? Big pharma.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
in a way you have to see like Asa said, who benefits, no, and who doesn't benefit. Our take is normally always if it's comes in a natural form. Example, there's a supplement called berberine.
I take berberine.
Berberine.
I love berberine.
Berberine will naturally lower sugar. Nobody directly benefits from berberine.
Because you can't patent, or I don't know the technical term for it, if
Yeah.
you're a pharma company and you own the rights to a particular
own
discovery
berberine,
or whatever you develop in the lab. Berberine, you cannot own it because it just comes from a
Yeah.
plant.
Because it's natural.
It's
Yes.
natural. So naturally, no one's gonna fund. I mean, there might be people who will fund studies on it, but not
Yeah.
as extensive as a company who stands to benefit
Yes.
from it.
So, example, if they tweak it up a little bit and call it, kasi berberine is very similar to metformin, right? So, if you tweak berberine a little bit and make it into, let's say, met berber or something like that, call it whatever it is, right? Okay. Then, the person who patented the met berber stands to gain from it. So, it pays off for them to do the clinical
Studies, yes.
Okay.
Kasi who's gonna benefit if berberine, you do a clinical study for berberine? No one.
Incidentally, if you have PCOS girling, berberine, super good.
Pero what if the
Shout out to the PCOS people out there.
Yeah.
But what about the berberine dudes, the ones that are putting this in capsules and saying, "Hey, buy my berberine," like the ones we're buying from?
Right. Yung mga ganong berberine, technically, that berberine is just a plant. I mean, it's
Yeah.
literally,
Yeah.
you can do, anybody can do it.
Can encapsulate
They're
it,
just
can market
helping
it.
you get it.
Yes.
Yeah.
So they
like,
earn from it because it's under their umbrella of brands.
What they're saying is na it's parang they're not gonna fund the study if it's natural.
Yes.
Yes.
Parang kasi no one's
More
gonna
or less.
Oo,
More or
ganun,
less,
oo.
yeah.
Correct.
Got it.
Yun yung ano. Example, going back to our rule of thumb in the office is that it is, or at the practice is that, is it natural? First question. If it's natural, kasi example, magnesium, right? Magnesium has over 600 benefits to the body. It's a lot. But if you take the wrong one, you're gonna be sitting down in the toilet most of the day.
Oh, okay.
Kasi super diuretic ang ibang klaseng type of magnesium.
So there's thionate, there's glycinate.
Glycinate.
Those are the
Yes.
ones that your body absorbs best,
Yeah.
right? So
May isa pa eh.
Thionate, glycinate.
Marami siya.
The spray that we use,
Marami.
magnesium.
Marami siya. May chloride.
Chloride,
Then
magnesium
there's
chloride.
also Epsom salt is also
Magnesium chloride.
Magnesium
Yeah.
chloride. So you can have magnesium baths, and they have different purposes. But in general, our train of thought in the center is that if it's natural,
Okay.
it shouldn't. Then we look into it if it's something that can be applied
Okay.
for
Yes.
people in
Okay.
with their particular
Okay.
health concern.
Ako yung mangbabasag ng trip sa episode na to.
Go ahead.
Ako yung skeptic
Go for
shopper.
it.
Ako
Yeah,
yung
yeah.
skeptic
Yes,
shopper.
sige.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Actually-
wait.
Ay, sorry.
Speaking of natural kasi,
Okay.
so may segue ako. So, kung I'm shopping, I used to be a sucker for organic, kunin ko to. But now, may mga nagka-come out na parang just because it's organic doesn't mean it's good for you. So what are your thoughts on that?
Okay, I love that because clearly you guys have looked to not for knowledge. Hindi lang kayo naniniwala sa
Yeah,
lahat.
yeah.
So that's a big deal. Okay. Just the same thing as I tell clients that we work with all the time. Unang-una, in the Philippines, there's no such thing as organic.
Nobody certifies
Government
in the
body.
Philippines.
Yeah. Unlike the US
Oo, na
or
may USDA organic or Japan, may
Australia or the
GAS.
EU. So normally they will talk
fake
about
lahat niyan?
hindi
Hindi
naman
naman fake, but
organic
it's not,
practices.
It's not controlled.
So
eh.
let's say, for example,
Medyo organic.
let's say a
Yeah.
multi-million
Sort of.
Filipino corporation. Let's say, let's name names. Kidding. Let's say this FMCG company says, "Hey, let's label it organic." They can do that.
They cannot.
They can
They
they can
cannot.
say na it's organic,
Pero wala namang
pero walang
nag-check.
certification. There's no...
They can say it.
Yes.
But okay.
Yeah, don't nobody's gonna police them.
Yes.
Kasi we mistakenly
equate
equate.
natural for organic.
Yes.
So
Ano
a lot
bang difference?
Well, natural is you're naturally occurring. Your ingredients are natural. Also, another word that's not regulated. So, pwedeng natural because
Even in
it's
the
made from
US.
plants and fruits and
Yeah.
whatever. When you say organic and the processing of the product, there's no pesticides,
From the
herbicides.
soil
Yeah.
Got it.
all the way to the
Actually,
finished product.
Okay, sorry. I'm gonna cut your thing off.
Okay,
Quick,
sure.
quick lang.
Tapusin ko lang muna yung
Okay, and last, sorry. And since Harvey are gonna have a podcast, I'm gonna let you know now.
Okay.
Because si Sab nakakatawa, it took her 7 years to learn this. Always talk to the mic.
Okay.
Yes.
Sige.
And then, but if you're gonna shout,
Yeah,
go
go,
away.
go.
Sige.
Okay.
Okay. Teka.
So abangan niyo yung podcast nila, by the way. Okay?
Thank you.
Yung
Okay.
podcast namin na minsan ganyan yung boses. Minsan ganun.
Okay, teka. Yung organic kasi, the rule of thumb is, example, you can buy organic ice cream regulated in the United States. It has the organic seal, no pesticides, no hormones, no antibiotics.
Which
So,
technically means up to 95% organic processed
Yeah.
ingredients pag may seal.
so
Okay.
it will fall into the healthy trap. But if you eat that every night, don't ask a nutritionist, why am I diabetic? Kasi it still has the high amounts of sugar to make that delicious ice cream.
Yeah.
Ah.
Okay, so that's what you mean na parang, well, just because it's organic doesn't
Doesn't
mean you should
mean
have
it's
it
good.
every, you know.
Yes,
Kailangan
it
talaga
doesn't
in
give you a
moderation.
license to just consume
Tons and tons of it,
rampantly.
yeah.
Oh.
Actually, the reason why I wanted to cut it off is because,
Sige.
like, before we go in,
Because we're
first-
funded by, ano,
We'd like to thank our sponsors.
Organic Corp.
We'd like to. I'd like to cut it off lang just by because there might be a lot of listeners who, like me, for a time had no idea what the hell inflammation was. What the hell is inflammation? Why is organic? And anyway, it's only when we started the Baron method actually when I learned, like when you guys showed us that kunwari like this certain soy sauce brand has literally an ingredient that is ano yun? Bawal, illegal ilagay sa pagkain, correct? Technically?
Hindi siya
Not
illegal
illegal.
Kasi ginagawa siya.
Oo, not illegal, but possibly
Harmful.
deleterious to your health.
Oh.
Deleterious.
Harmful.
Harmful.
Yeah.
So, can we just before we proceed?
Oo nga naman.
Pag-usapan
natin kung bakit natin pinag-uusapan
Ano bang
natin to.
parang kasi because like I want like a casual listener listening like I don't fucking eat every day. Like I'm good. Like why would it but why should it go beyond that? And like parang why is it so important that what the food you eat is natural? And parang kumbaga what is your parang thesis ano bang thesis
Yes,
statement and
there
core
you go.
belief nyo?
Okay.
Go, Harvey.
Unang-una, when you good question by the way. Yeah. Okay. I was speaking into the mic. Okay.
Sabi ko sa elbow niya.
Yeah. Sige. Sorry. Okay. Yan. Sige. So, for me, first of all, what's inflammation? Inflammation parang namamaga. Right? So, you play basketball, you run,
Yes.
right, Jim? So, alam mo yung when you run long, run hard, sometimes pag dahil overuse, namamaga, hindi na siya gumagaling.
Or it doesn't function the way that it's supposed
Yes.
to.
Or
It hurts, it's inflamed,
Yeah,
it's...
it breaks down quicker. Parang konti pa lang tinatakbo mo after a long run and then it's sore again. The body is like that. So if you constantly put in stuff that it doesn't recognize, then it will build inflammation.
Wait, I'll add to that. Just to add.
Sige.
When I was reading, I read this book called Anatomy of Anxiety.
Yes.
And it's saying that inflammation also is like your body is turning on a defense system.
Yes.
Correct.
When hindi dapat.
Yes.
Gets? Parang it's
Yes.
saying, oh my God, may infection ako pero kumain lang pala ako ng
So
Yes.
it's your body's
Hindi ka
response
pwede
to...
magsabi ng
or
brand
kumain ako ng
names.
whatever.
Edit mo ba yun?
kumain ka ng instant noodles.
Yes.
The body says, oh my God, there's a virus in me.
Yeah.
That's how harmful
Yeah, that's
the
what I want them
ingredients
to-
can be.
Unless you don't do it, if you do it once in a while, it's
Then
not
it's
a
okay.
problem. But kasi ang tendency, we've made those quote-unquote bad food so regular.
And the
Normalized
example
na
that
siya.
you gave, instant noodles, you'll say na, hindi naman ako araw-araw kumakain ng instant noodles. Well, today, instant noodles. Tomorrow, chips. The next day, fast food. Yan yung tinatawag namin na yung minsan mo. Is not exactly minsan. It's minsan in different forms.
Yung minsan mo
gosh.
araw-araw
So,
na.
I feel like you're talking to my college self. I'm like, yes,
I feel you,
fast food, okay.
So, the problem is, like you said, with inflammation, your body is always on defense mode. So it doesn't have enough gas or enough time to just chill. Lagi
yes.
siyang, gera to, I have to
yun.
fight, I have to fight,
Gera
I have
yun.
to
Which
fight.
actually related to that book is why it causes anxiety. Na actually it's part
kasi-
of the gut. Kasi
Yeah.
parang if you're always like, oh my God, my shit, the body is telling you, the body is telling the mind, yo, you're being attacked. So you're
so the
you're
gut and
anxious,
mind
like,
connection.
oh my God,
Yes.
I'm
Yeah.
under attack.
Yeah, actually yung gut hindi lang siya you're correct Sab, hindi lang siya it's mind, but it's also obviously gut is heart, gut is it goes everywhere. That's the entry point. Kumbaga immigration yan, customs yan ng ano mo ng katawan mo. So kung magulo yung pumapasok na tao,
Yes.
or magulo yung pumapasok na pagkain sa katawan mo, yung katawan mo, magulo yan. It's never settled, then you develop, bakit ako may anxiety? Bakit ako sluggish? Ba't ako hindi makatulog? Ba't ako hindi makapupu? Ba't ako hindi makalahat? Ba't ako may sakit na? Yun ang nangyayari.
Skeptic?
I'm
Being skeptic?
sold.
No, skeptic. Anti-inflammation ka na.
I'm thinking,
Pero, but having said that, inflammation is still important to the body, ha?
Okay, yeah.
And I'll tell you what.
tell me why.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Because it is what triggers your defense mechanism.
Gets.
So your immune system. What it doesn't like is prolonged inflammation.
Constantly.
So parang namamagana yung ankle mo from the basketball, pinilit mo pa rin mag-basketball ng
Yes.
basketball every day.
Correct.
Hindi na siya gumaling.
Yes.
Correct,
And not
correct.
just that, Harvey always has this analogy of a balloon. Kasi most people say na, wala naman ako dati yan nung last blood test ko, okay naman ako
Yeah,
hindi
yeah,
naman
yeah.
ako borderline, hindi
Yeah.
naman ako diabetic or hypertensive. Without realizing na, yun, it's a balloon, you put trickles of water in, hindi naman overnight it's going to burst.
Yeah.
Di ba? But the last straw or the last few drops, bam!
Yeah.
Ano ka na? Diabetic ka na, hypertensive ka na, may hives ka na bigla. Dati naman, pag kumain ako ng chicken,
Yeah.
hindi ako nagkaka-allergy. But ngayon, may allergy na ako.
Your body can process it better. I was gonna say, back to PCOS, kasi you mentioned that
Yes.
you shouted out mga tao with PCOS, no? We, in the center, in 16 years, we rarely see anybody in their mid to early 40s na babae na come here with diabetic. Rare.
Okay.
Dati. But only because they are protected by estrogen dahil may period pa sila eh.
Okay.
Okay, so the body can protect you in those things. But because the habits are constant, what happens is nagkakaroon sila ng diabetes after their menstruation when they hit menopause. But PCOS is always present. Because yung inflammation, meron at meron kailangan puntahan. You're not diabetic in your blood, but the inflammation that sugar
Happens in your
brings in
ovaries.
goes into your ovaries, goes into your reproductive area.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Kumbaga, it manifests
I kinda
as
got
PCOS.
lost there.
Parang ganun. Yeah,
I'm
medyo
sorry.
nga. Oo.
Sorry. Okay. So
I'll be honest.
basically, pag yung PCOS is early form of diabetes. Yun
Do you
lang
know
yun.
what PCOS is?
No.
PCOS is polycystic ovarian syndrome.
It's a very common thing.
Yes.
Especially, I think, is it true that it's common in the Philippines because there's not a lot of walkways here? Like,
Oh, good question. I haven't
Kasi,
really thought of
they
it
say
that
because
way.
people don't walk around much.
We don't walk around and then we consume a lot of sugar.
Oh, yeah.
The PCOS nga is the first sign of insulin resistance ng young women.
I want to move on from PCOS.
Okay, sorry.
Sorry na.
Sorry.
Cannot relate, cannot relate.
Sorry.
That could be a different episode.
Yeah.
There's so much to unpack
You can listen
there.
to on their podcast,
Okay.
right?
Sige, sorry.
Sobrang
Sorry,
basag.
nag-PCOS na ako.
Ay, si
Hindi
Jim
ko
pala yung
dapat.
taga-basag trip dito, hindi
Sorry.
pala ako.
Nakakatawa. This is the first time we've been doing ilang years in pod? Anyway,
7.
I've always been saying I'm the certified nutritionist, nga, right?
Oh, yeah.
Right? I'm a medical
You
professional.
can't just say that.
I know, but whatever.
You're the organic, ano.
professional.
You're the researcher. yeah. Sige.
Kasi walang,
Okay,
ano.
my question is, so a lot of our listeners are actually in their 20s. Okay. If I'm a 20-year-old listening to this and I'm like, dude, I'm worried about rent. I'm worried about rent. I'm worried about how I'll get to work.
Yeah.
Why will I, like, if I'll have, what's so wrong if, like, I have corned beef, canned corned beef 4 times a week?
Or mag-fast food ako on the way to
Or
work.
fast food ako. Kasi, like, this is the more important thing. Ano yung content nyo doon? Given that ito yung age nila and
Yeah.
yeah.
Sa akin, ang singil niyan, pag 30s mo.
Or beyond.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You will pay for that later in life. Sure yan. There's no escaping an unhealthy diet. Nothing. You will pay for it some way down the line a little later in time.
Would it be the same as being a smoker all your life?
Yeah,
Yeah.
something like that. Kasi yun nga, when you're young, your college self, my college self na
Hindi mo naman
cake
iniisip
ang
yun
breakfast,
eh.
instant noodles, ganyan.
Yeah.
You feel invincible. It doesn't really affect you. You don't feel as sluggish. I mean, compare it to now. If you live the way that you did when, di ba?
Ngayon parang...
Yung singil, grabe.
The next day,
It's
wala.
just crazy. So, I guess the reason why younger people put it on the back burner, back of their heads, kasi wala sila nararamdaman.
Kaya nila.
But the problem is, yun nga, yung singil, when you're older, whatever yung Nax Tagalog, ipundar mo in terms of your
Hindi gets
finances.
ni Jim yun. Ano yun? Ano yung
Ipundar. Ipundar. Ipunin mo.
I-invest.
Invest or save. Whatever savings you have.
Okay.
Whatever savings you have.
Shaving she have.
Because yan, English. Whatever savings you have because you
Sila lang
Yeah.
try because you try to save on food because you have to worry about rent, you have to worry
Yes.
about all these things.
Okay.
You're gonna end up spending on medical bills.
Yes.
You're gonna end up spending on doctor's visits,
Yes.
trying your best to reverse what you've done to yourself when you're younger. So
Yes.
you just choose.
Have you guys seen this talaga in yun nga, you've been
Oh,
doing
yeah.
this for 16 years.
Yeah.
Have you seen kunwari, like a dude or a girl in their 30s technically should be okay,
Yeah.
and it was a result of their
Yes.
Like what?
Yes,
Can you give
flat out.
examples? Like
I actually have a client recently. Hindi naman it was quite sad actually because when the wife joined the program in year 1, okay, the husband technically was sort of mocking her. Kasi his habit was eating your junk food, fast food, canned food, all of that stuff. The sad part is that this year, he
The
was
husband.
diagnosed with colon cancer,
Oh, no.
stage 4 colon cancer. So now he is forced to tries to eat healthy. But because he has been so used to that habit for a long period of time, he's finding it extremely difficult.
Yeah.
And
So
not,
yun yung
not
singil.
even that. Like my contemporaries, my college blockmates, people my age, which, I mean, I'm 41. And my parents don't really have maintenance. They're 70, 60 plus. The people my age are on maintenance meds.
Yeah.
As
Pabata
early
ng
as
pabata.
pabata
Oo
siya
nga
ng
eh.
pabata. You have 20s na diabetic na.
Yeah.
Oo.
Mga
It's
lalaki,
becoming
yeah.
earlier and earlier as compared to the older
and
people.
it's because the food is getting worse.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. When
Or
when
yun,
we were
your
young,
lifestyle when you were
Hindi.
younger.
Tsaka laking bagay, this whole thing about, food colorings become very, very
Oh, yes.
controversial lately,
Yes.
di ba?
They just banned recently
Banned
the
recently.
red food color.
Red
dye.
Red 3.
Oo.
Pero, food coloring's been around, it's been banned in makeup since the 80s. Pero they didn't think na it was bad enough to ban in food.
Yeah.
Isn't that crazy?
Oh.
There's a lot of politics that goes into it
Sino ang
before they can
nag-ano doon?
finally...
Sila
Sino may
Ganon.
kasalanan
Lahat,
nito?
well,
Not
big food,
exactly.
big
Oo,
food is
yeah.
much more much stronger than big tobacco before.
Yeah.
So sugar is actually the new tobacco in the sense.
I wanted to talk about sugar.
Yeah.
Because it tastes so good.
It
Yeah.
is so
it's
good.
very addicting.
Very much so. And it's designed like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there are so many banned addictive substances, right?
Yes.
But sorry, ano ba?
Okay, go. Just double checking. Okay, go.
Can we have a normal conversation around here?
I love the side eye because I'm like that kay Harvey.
Okay.
Take two.
Pwede.
Okay.
Sige,
So,
sige.
sugar is so yummy.
It's crazy good.
But actually, my mom has said this for years and years and years sa amin growing up in our household. It's like, sugar is actually the devil. What are your thoughts on that?
Yeah.
Well, the thing is, like, as someone who runs the household, I'm sure you can relate. We can't totally eliminate.
Yeah.
So we choose better sugar options.
Yeah.
Like
This-
in our case, it's raw honey, muscovado,
Natural.
cocoa sugar, but definitely not refined sugar. We are a refined sugar-free household
yeah.
because effects.
Yes.
Well, this is where organics kick in, meaning the organic foods kick in. So normally we spend a little more, but we find na pagka they're eating organic foods na mga packages, dito mo makikita na they're less likely to get sick.
Yes.
So yun yung bawian.
Kumbaga-
No, I agree kasi when I'm buying supplements now that we're older and even for the kids na parang shucks, isipin mo, my old self would have been, my God, ang mahal niya, no way. But we've been through so much. We've been through so many hospital trips na parang I'm like it's an investment. So parang
Yes.
it's a no-brainer.
Yeah, and well, actually, so kunwari, for example, to simplify rin for the
Sige.
people nga who don't understand, let's say, what does eating something with that is chemically made, which is non-natural, the opposite of what you guys are pushing, what does it do to the body aside from inflammation? Parang technically, ano yung, if hindi, parang I don't know if hindi, just to hammer on the point, what does non-natural food, why is it so bad? But how is it, like, kuwari, someone could say, well, my lola ate
Yeah,
freaking...
we hear that all the time.
Ensaymada
Makain naman
every
niya yung
day.
lola ko eh,
Yeah,
but
pero yung-
she's okay. She
Yeah.
lived to be 100.
Pero
Ganyan.
yung ensaymada kasi ng example, tocino.
Ensaymada.
Iba yung pagkagawa before.
Yeah, kasi like tocino, dati wala namang red coloring eh.
They used to
They
use
use
other...
achwete.
Yeah, achwete.
Diba? They would
to
use
make-
achwete
to make it red.
eh. Oh.
Or dati, hindi naman refined sugar. They use different types of
Right.
sugars to sweeten it.
So are you saying na because of commercialism and
Yeah.
whatever, they've found cheaper ways to make food and put more harmful stuff to
Exactly.
the body?
Yeah.
But in all fairness, I mean, if you are a business, you're not thinking about how harmful it is. You're just thinking of the bottom line. You just want to be able to make it as cheap as possible, taste good, so that
Taste
you can
good.
market it and then sell it at a price point na mabebenta siya.
Yeah.
So
A lot of the harm you don't see naman, you take it, patay, hindi ganun.
Yeah.
pakiulit.
So you don't get that. That builds up in the body over time.
Yun,
eh.
si balloon.
Si
Again,
balloon effect.
konti-konti.
Konti-konti. So for me, let's say for instance, artificial sweeteners, right? Not only is it's a hyperdrive of inflammation, but it's a brain disruptor. It's a gut destroyer pa.
Even like stevia, ganun?
Well,
Well,
stevia
that's
is not
artificial.
It's not artificial.
So,
Stevia is a long story pa.
Stevia, yeah.
So
Ano,
equal.
naging
Parang
controversial
ganun.
yun before, di ba?
Yes.
Okay, ang stevia kasi, when you look at, but it's a plant.
Yeah.
It's very, very sweet on its own.
Okay.
In fact, we had that plant before eh. Nung di pa siya ganun kauso. Sabi ko, hey, Harvey, may
Kinakain
stevia
namin
plant
yung dahon,
ako.
ang
Oo,
tamis. Okay.
Pero when you dehydrate it, may aftertaste siya that's bitter.
Okay.
So, commercially available stevia, they need to mix it with other things
Other
to make it
ingredients.
taste as close to refined sugar.
If you're looking to buy stevia, look at the ingredient label.
Yes.
Normally, hindi stevia yung number one ingredient. Normally, there's a maltodextrin.
It's usually
Okay.
maltodextrin.
Yes.
So
The
this is what we've learned actually through the Baron method. Like looking at the ingredients list, and the first thing pala on the ingredients list
Yung
is the one na
pinakamarami.
pinakamarami.
Most used.
Yes.
So kunwari, if it says like garbage, then it's garbage.
Garbage, yeah.
So if it's like, if it says fat, then it's
Garbage
yeah,
and
80%.
fat.
Ganon,
Yeah,
ganon. Pero if it says like plant, then garbage. more plant than garbage.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
Okay.
Like yung stevia, balik tayo doon. Merong isang packet kasi na green yung label niya. The first product listed doon is malto.
First ingredient listed is maltodextrin. Yeah.
Number 2 lang yung stevia. So it can be 90% malto.
And just 10%.
And what is
stevia.
malto?
Malto is actually a thickener, but it's also sweet. It behaves like a simple
corn,
sugar.
It's from corn, usually. Corn derived. But the problem with malto, and I remember this, kasi naging uso din si maltodextrin na parang, okay ano siya,
Complex
it's
sugar.
it's low carb. Tama ba? Yun yung sinasabi na low carb si maltodextrin. But once it goes into your body, it's processed as,
A simple sugar.
so it still spikes your blood
Oo,
sugar.
kasi that's how they hide labels. This is getting a bit technical. That's how they food companies hide sugar is by adding a complex sugar that's cheap enough that will nakatago na yung sugar. So let's say technically maltodextrin behaves like a simple sugar.
Yeah.
But it's not a sugar. So it's not listed as a sugar sa
Okay.
nutrition facts.
I'm going to be a skeptic.
Go.
Go ahead.
Go.
Hindi naman ako, not as, but,
Pro sugar. Ganun.
hindi. I wanna know, like, so ano na bang, how sad is it na, so kailangan mayaman ka para maging healthy ka?
Not necessarily. There are things naman kasi that you can swap eh. Ang problem lang ngayon is we value convenience and taste over everything else. So, pag sinabihan mo ang tao na you go to the wet market, there's lots of vegetables indigenous to the Philippines. That's not expensive. You don't have to eat kale in 5 kilos to be healthy. We have local greens. We have local leaves na
Kangkong.
1 bundle is 5 pesos. So, kaya naman siya eh. It's not necessarily
Kailangan
I
lang
have to be
lutuin.
rich.
Kailangan lang
And I
lutuin.
think, pero kasi, siguro, not to get all political here, but we are, everything is political, right? Naisip ko lang, parang, when you're very poverty-stricken, parang hindi mo naiisipin, parang you don't even have time because of the
Yes.
traffic and all of the, and diba? So, convenience talaga.
Yes.
And
Convenience over everything.
so, Jim Bacaro para sa Senado.
Okay.
Boto.
I just want to say something. I on organics.
Maganda yung name mo for politics, Jim Bacaro for
Diba?
Senado.
Pang-Senado?
Ganda nun, Okay, sige.
Okay. Ang organic na senador. Anyway,
Natural occurring.
I tried the greatest thing ever.
Sugar.
Again,
4
so
boxes of
Maltodextrin.
it's on organics.ph.
Okay.
It's a fucking
Chill.
it's fucking so good. It's called Whole Fudgy
Fudgy
Bites.
Yeah.
It's got coconut
Fudgy bites.
stuff
So-
in it, right?
And dates.
Pero again, the thing is, I think to Sam's point, like, I want to talk now to the 20-year-olds because like I feel like I'm talking to my younger self na nung time na yun, it was so mababaw eh. It was just like we didn't even think about longevity, right? And I think that's your biggest thing, right? It's like cool, the weight loss and things are cool, pero the point is you have to feel good, you have to be healthy and live long enough to actually, what I want to ask is, since we're gonna name a few things that we know that 20-year-olds and early 30-year-olds love to eat. Ano ang pwedeng kapalit?
Sure.
Oh, ba?
Okay?
Oh,
Right?
okay.
So, kunwari,
No naming of brands.
yeah.
Of course.
Okay. So, for example, I asked this question actually the last time I was at the clinic. So,
Beer. May intro pa pala. Sorry, okay.
Wag alak. So, for example,
May answer siya dyan.
Okay,
siguro.
sige, go.
Diba?
Okay.
What beer.
Beer.
Nasa party ako. Ang daming alak.
Imbis na
Anong
yung
pwede kong-
local na canned beer or whatever.
Alam mo, honestly, kung maganda naman ang kinakain mo and meron ka namang allocated day na I'm gonna enjoy having a night out with my friends,
Yeah.
mag-beer ka, mag-enjoy ka na.
But at
But
the
come
same
back-
time,
Come back to just
yeah.
being healthy.
But at the same time, kasi nowadays, when you say beer, merong beer na talagang brewed na maayos, merong beer na may flavoring, may coloring, ganyan. So,
Yeah,
let's say you're choosing
may mga
between
apple flavor.
two.
Yeah.
Oo, yung mga
Pero hindi rin naman
flavored na
masarap
ganyan.
yun. Yeah.
Skip the flavored ones.
Ah,
Number
yeah.
one, opt for ones that are just as natural as it can
Right.
get, na brewed from hops and whatever.
Yes.
But let's say your aim is you want to get a hit. You really want to feel a bit
Do people
tipsy.
really want to drink to get a hit? Do you drink to get a hit? At least
to
you
enjoy, to relax,
Um,
ganyan.
I
We don't
love the-
promote it, but we get it.
Diba?
I love
mean,
the
some
taste.
people.
Yeah.
Like,
You
kunwari, I
the
love
taste.
steak and red wine. You know, I
okay.
love pasta and.
So if it's for taste, yun, avoid the ones with the flavoring. But if you want to party,
Can I just say, okay, so one of the
us,
tips, one
this
of the,
is what we do. Ayun.
what I do, what we do, before we eat, we drink.
Okay.
Para the alcohol is into your system right away.
Okay.
So it means you're tipsy quicker.
Okay.
And
you
then
feel
hahab-
that little warmth and there's
Yeah.
nothing wrong with that.
Nag-acid ako pag ganun eh. Like, because nga it's on an empty stomach. Like, I always end up like getting, ugh.
Soda water.
Soda
Remember
water.
we tried that
yeah,
already?
yun nga eh.
Na-try mo na yan, di ba?
I have...
Water is a good trick. Okay, aside
Okay,
from beer.
pangit. So, okay. So, replacement of food. Let's say I'm craving luncheon meat. Or, breakfast. Yung kuwari, let's say, bacon
Yung typical,
or bacon or
typical.
luncheon
Tocino
meat.
ang
Or
favorite
tocino.
ko
For
dati.
bacon, we actually still eat bacon. We opt for nitrate-free and then walang coloring, walang artificial or mga flavoring. So there's bacon in the market na uncured or nitrate-free.
What will they
So
look
kaya siya.
for? Like,
Ingredients
that exactly?
list lagi. So we look for no food coloring, no
No
chemical.
taste rin ba siya?
No, it's so good. It's really, really good.
May-
Naturally smoked, mga ganun.
I need to say this kasi, a lot of people will say, mahal naman yan pang mayaman lang yan But, when we work with clients, we always say, at a certain point, down the track talagang gagastos ka
Yeah,
Kung
yeah.
gastusan mo yung pagkain mo ngayon, at least down the track, wala kang sakit.
True.
Whereas down the track, kung hindi mo gastusan pagkain mo, later on, gagastos ka, pero may sakit ka naman.
What if they say like, dude, it's just like one bacon a week? Na hindi,
Again,
na
your
the balloon.
minsan is something, there's minsan today, there's minsan tomorrow, so it still builds
let's say
up in
menu
your
mo
body.
bacon ngayon, tapos bukas,
Luncheon meat.
luncheon meat.
Next day, hot dog.
Yun, mga ganun.
Yun.
Oh.
But a quick way to bake bacon at home, alam niyo yung samgyeopsal cut na then super thin, like sukiyaki cut na
Yeah.
pork.
Yun.
You do honey, salt.
Brine it.
Yeah.
You can brine
So
it.
parang magiging parang honey-cured na siya.
Yeah.
Sarap siya
When
actually.
you fry it,
Oh.
it's really good.
Actually, technically, liempo, pork
Liempo,
belly.
yeah, pork belly.
So-
Thinly sliced pork belly
Yeah,
is
thinly
your
sliced.
best.
Kailangan lang
Parang
effort.
gutom na siya.
effort.
Sweet ka. I like fish. We eat a lot of fish.
Yeah.
That's okay. What's the best kind of fish?
You like depends on what you like.
I like bangus.
Bangus is okay.
Nakakatawa sa episode.
Yung bangos, paki-ozonate lang. Kasi
okay naman
we
siya.
know naman it's farmed.
So
and
even fish, you have to ozonate?
yes.
Really?
Yes.
So even like the pompano and stuff?
The way it is kasi ngayon, even if it's wild caught in the sea,
Because of
and
more-
it makes it easier to just ozonate everything para at least you don't have to think of ozonate ko ba to, ito, hindi, ito, oo. So,
Okay,
you
for
needed
those who
the
have
process
no
sa
idea
bahay.
what we're talking about, what's ozonate?
Okay, it's using O3 to clean your food. We have a machine that does that. So you submerge your food into water. In turn, the water acts as a carrier for the O3 to clean whatever food you have.
Think of it like the ozone layer. It cleans the atmosphere. O3 technology will do that to food.
Actually, nakakatawa.
Skeptic. Gumagana ba talaga yan?
Hindi.
Gumagana.
Actually, hindi. Joke.
Okay, so we now I want to share this story very quick. We now have a team of about 8-9 nutritionists in Byron Method. When they come in, the first thing I tell them, pwede nyong kilatisin. Tama ba yung Tagalog ko?
Nax.
Pwede nyong kilatisin
Pakibigyan ng Filipino diploma ito.
yung buong program. If there's something that you don't think works in your mind,
Question it.
Ask.
question it.
I guess.
That.
So the ozonator, lahat pinag-iinitan.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so apparently, we've got so much research on this, even from Saudi Arabia and everything,
And Japan,
Japan,
and yeah.
everywhere. And this is the one that has proven to be probably the technology that will stand. Because it literally gets rid of all the unnatural
So
things in
when you
food.
ozonate meat, for example, there's a foam that
Yeah,
forms.
we do that.
The
Kind of
the
stinks.
supplier of ours who supplies the ozonator to us had the foam tested. Kumbaga, una yung, let's say, yung chicken, may salmonella, may
Oh my
antibiotic
gosh.
residue, hormone residue. After ozonating, it's no longer present in the chicken. It's in the foam. When they had the foam tested, the hormones, antibiotics, and whatever
Were there.
Wow.
Yeah.
Nakakatawa nga eh. Kasi like, so we do this every night, right? And like, I see the chicken breast like bubble. And then I take the chicken from plastic and the plastic says hormone-free, organic, and
Yeah.
all these things. So, okay.
No one regulates it, right?
Nga pala.
Yeah.
Actually, pag sinabi nilang free range,
It
it
only
doesn't
means-
mean anything. It just means that the chicken is
Allowed to
Walk-
go
walk
free.
around.
And not even the whole day.
So, in-inject
Parang
pero pinalakad. Parang
number
ganun.
of hours
Pero
lang.
siguro in my head as a consumer, I'm like, well, at least happy siya.
yeah.
Bago mo siya kainin.
bago
Masaya naman siya. Nakapag window shopping siya. Iba-ibang klaseng grass dyan or something.
I wanted to ask, how about just quickly, I know, I mean, we don't have unlimited time, pero maybe for people, like, why are you guys so passionate about this?
Why are we passionate about it? Hindi, okay, so both of us were sick at certain points in our
Yeah.
lives. Okay, so I had a very harsh autoimmune disease called ulcerative colitis. I was just shitting blood 30 times a day. There's no,
joke.
farting.
Like,
How old
nothing.
were you?
20.
Whoa.
Before I met him, 26, 27.
Yeah, 20,
Bata pa.
25, 26, ganon.
How frequently were
30
you?
times a day?
It was 30 times a day. Bloody. Talagang meron akong shit kit kasi ang galing ko maglinis ng toilet.
Kasi
alam
it
mo
can
naman
strike
ng mga
anytime.
guys,
Oh.
'di ba, pag gumamit ng toilet, they don't lift the seat.
Yeah, yeah.
May mga they don't flush the toilet, 'di ba? So I have to know how to clean it and wash it properly, real quick. So I can do that in 15 seconds, then I got to go.
Oh,
It was harsh. So that's made me really, really passionate about it because I was able to fix it. I was able to cure it.
through food.
He's from New
Through
Zealand.
food.
So technically, if he chose to, he can just live there off welfare. He
That's
doesn't
right.
need to work.
Yeah, that's right.
Because that's a permanent disability
Yeah.
in the New Zealand government.
Whoa.
But he didn't want to live like that.
Yeah.
Sabi niya, wala pa siyang spouse nun eh. Sabi niya, punta tayo ng date, meron siyang poo bag.
Kasi
Yun.
kasi they said that if I keep taking the medication paulit-ulit because of relapse, it's prednisone at high doses. Prednisone is steroids,
Steroids.
so it's
Okay.
not really good. They would have to cut out my colon out and they would have to put a colostomy bag. I wasn't married yet. Who's gonna go out on a date with me na may colostomy bag?
Ayun, that was...
Oh my God.
Or quality of life. He was worried about quality of life as well.
Quick question, you grew up in New Zealand.
I grew up in New Zealand.
How come, I would think like, it's all fresh, natural, happy cows there.
Yeah,
What were you eating?
More
No,
cows
no.
there.
It was because I came back home and as a 20-year-old,
Oh, yeah.
alam mo naman, we feel invincible. So if I'm
yes.
talking to my 20-year-old self, I would have probably told myself to stay away from the spaghetti,
Hoy, bakit mo spaghetti? Okay na
hindi. Yung sweet spaghetti, palabok, sweet palabok spaghetti.
Yun, like any other 20-year-old, he...
Non-stop.
Ano siya, fast food talaga. He was
Non-stop.
living alone. Wala naman tagaluto.
Yeah.
You're after your next close of sale so that you
Yeah.
have electricity. Ganon yung buhay niya. No?
Ganon yung life as a single person at that
Oo.
time. Puyat,
Inom.
inom.
Inom,
Oh,
yeah.
yung
How did you
trifecta.
fix it?
Literally change everything with how I ate. I'm heavily into juicing.
Okay.
That time, yeah.
So the juicing literally lowered the inflammation down. Autoimmune kasi is prolonged inflammation that it malfunctions your immune system na eh.
Uh-huh.
So ganun ang nangyari sa akin. And AZA also ganun din.
Ako naman, I have psoriasis.
Psoriasis.
I got it from my dad's side. There's 9 of them, 7 have psoriasis. Ako lang sa generation namin. Love ako ni Lord. Yun. So, it can get really severe. Like, from here down to my legs, my ankles.
When she
So,
gets pregnant, it just
boom. Sobra.
because the hormones.
To the point that I avoid mirrors because I don't want to see myself. It's just, it's hard to look at. And apart from that, before we got married, I have a superpower na every 3 months, nasa ER ako. Ganyan. Severe migraine
We
naman.
met in the hospital for the first time.
Yeah, you
Oo nga
told me
pala,
now.
yeah.
So, there are things na even in your 20s, you feel like, oh, okay lang to, bata pa naman ako eh. I can take the pain, I can just take painkillers, which I know a lot of young people deal with migraines also. Without knowing na, why did I live like that? Why did I not do something about it? So, yun, that's why we're heavily into this kind of lifestyle. Kasi ako, I don't want to get sick anymore. I don't want to deal with monthly nga yun eh, parang or twice a month migraine, every 3 months, severe that OTC painkillers don't work anymore. So, it's just more
And
of,
the-
I'm sick
Sorry.
of this. I'm sick of living
the change
like
of
this.
lifestyle just absolutely,
Oh,
wala
yeah.
na.
I
Yung
haven't
migraines.
really gotten a migraine.
Oh.
Parang once lang when I was pregnant with my son, but that was it.
But it was like
Since
it was
then.
just the food, and you introduced juicing and stuff
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
Wow.
Jim, I was on prednisone. I had Pentaza, which is still the same treatment they do today.
For
Okay.
ulcerative colitis,
It
yeah.
wasn't fucking working at all.
Oh.
Kaya nga may, I would say, threat of a colostomy bag.
Yeah.
Kasi
Paulit-ulit.
it'll go away.
Babalik lang ng
Babalik.
babalik eh.
So,
And then you
babalik.
studied for this.
Yeah, I studied for it. So it's something that really resonates with me. It's something that I'm extremely passionate about. Back to the yung ulcerative colitis ko, no. Until today, I'm so scared. Every time I
Oh, yeah.
poop, I look for about 3 to 5 seconds to make sure
There's no blood.
there's no
it's,
blood.
It's a form of trauma na for
Trauma,
him. I honestly
trauma.
Oh
think.
my God. How many years yun?
This was about 1 entire year
Na
na ganun
tuloy-tuloy.
lang.
God.
Oh, dude.
How many years ago na? So you are 52.
My doctor said I have I have a colon of a 17-year-old boy.
So
The last
that's good.
which is really good.
Kasi how
Wow.
ulcerative colitis is your colon, pag kinolonoscopy ka, parang ang description niya, parang may ninja na may samurai na pumasok, tapos sinugatan. your
Severe
entire-
lacerations. And it
entire
took
colon.
about 10 years to heal. But the symptoms went away, basta na-maintain mo, hindi na siya babalik. Pero may mga lacerations pa rin sa colon mo.
No, but now yours doesn't. It's clear.
Mine is clear.
Yeah.
Mine is clear. It took nga 10 years to heal. Remember, every year I was doing a colonoscopy.
I remember.
Every year.
Oh
From
my
my
God.
from my 20s all the way
So
through.
I guess like before we end, like to balance things out. Let's say for example, right? You guys have like you had medical conditions. You were dependent on medication, and then you're saying na okay, food and nutrition can supplement that.
Yeah.
Can heal it.
Can heal.
Yeah.
Yes.
What is the balance? Like ako, for the longest time, I've been told na, oh, your family has high cholesterol. You need to drink the whatever,
Medicines.
the medicines. But I feel great and whatever. When do I say that I don't need the medicine and food can be enough?
Okay, we actually work with doctors with that. So we will tell patients in terms of on the nutrition side. Kasi like, for instance, you eat really well, you can reverse diabetes. Okay, so when you're taking medication, what happens there? Kasi you're taking medications that lower your blood sugar, then your blood sugar is naturally lowering. So dati, you would have high blood sugar, let's say 140, yung number, and then ngayon nagiging 90 na lang, baka nahihilo ka na. You have to take note of those numbers, go back to your doctor, tell your doctor, Doc, my blood sugar, because I'm eating well, my blood sugar is coming down. Is there a way we can adjust the medication?
Okay. So ano siya?
Ganun yun.
Play game
Got
siya.
it, got it.
Okay.
Kasi there is such a thing as the cholesterol being too low. So if your cholesterol is too low, there are other functions in the body that your body cannot perform without cholesterol. Cholesterol is not necessarily a bad thing.
Okay.
Yan.
Or even to add to that, in Harvey's case, both parents are diabetic, both parents are hypertensive.
Yeah.
And a lot of people are surprised that at 52, he has none. He has no maintenance meds. So,
Wow.
yes, your genetics play a part. It's it's in your DNA. But I think how you live your life and how you eat decides whether it gets activated or not.
Yeah, activated quicker. So
Quicker.
if your parents are both diabetic, you eat like shit.
Yeah.
For sure magiging diabetic ka. Sure ball 'yon. Pero kung you choose not to, it's not a guarantee for you. Meaning if you choose not to
Yeah.
eat bad, it's not a guarantee for you.
I agree with that kasi parang it depends on syempre, if you grow up in a household na ito yung there's junk food
Yes.
always, there's of course you're gonna
That's gonna be your lifestyle.
Parang I don't think it's necessarily a sentence always na parang my parents had this, so ako rin I will have this. But if you can change it up and see, like if there is a possibility for you not to get whatever disease. No? Yeah, interesting.
Yeah.
And last, sorry.
Sorry, I was just like thinking out loud, I guess.
No.
Last would be, like for example, what is your one of your best stories na lang? Na like, oh, this person had, like aside
Success
from you,
story.
yeah, parang
okay.
ano yung mga pride and joy niyo?
Sige, you choose one,
So-
I'll choose one.
Jim Bacaro daw eh.
Jim
Balita ko
Bacaro
eh,
para sa Senado. No, honestly, we've had so many positive cases. As long as the people follow, we get great results. We've had people who have maski alam mo, kidney. Sinabi na stage 3 kidney disease na. It's reversed back down to stage 1. We also have stage 4 pancreatic cancer that the cancers are reversed. So there are it doesn't just happen with, of course, sometimes when it's deep stages na, you need the medications. But at the same time, with the food, it helps with your healing. So if I was to choose one particular case, I think it would probably be, one of the rare cancers that we see here. She's one of our testimonials, si Faye Matriano. Faye came to us, sabi niya, I have a 1 in a million cancer. Okay? Na parang imposibleng gumaling. It's stage 4. Just this year, she was declared cancer-free.
So her type of cancer is yung
The
fluid.
peritoneal, yeah.
Oo, fluid in your stomach.
Yeah.
It's not a particular organ, or is that, I don't know if that's an organ, I'm not a doctor. But it's the fluid in the stomach that has cancer. Ganun.
So
Tapos
anything-
na-eliminate yung fluid na yon.
Yeah. So anything the fluid touches, which is all parts of your area, you'll get cancer. May cancer.
God.
So lahat
Yeah.
yon.
And she's a young lady. I mean,
How long was she on the program?
She's
How
one of
many
those
years
people, 3 years on the program. But I think, but she's kept the lifestyle. Yun ang
yeah,
importante.
yeah.
I think the nice thing was that her doctor said, okay, kasi what we do is we get your body ready. So her body was really strong throughout the treatment that she did. And the nice thing is because her body she ate really well, post-treatment, there's no recurrence. So yun yung maganda.
Oh.
Yeah, I think that's one of my favorite cases talaga. Kasi targeted chemotherapy doesn't work. Systemic chemotherapy doesn't work for her.
for her case, yeah.
For her
Okay,
case,
okay.
hindi gumagana. So that's one of my favorite ones.
Wow.
Talaga.
My
amazing.
favorite would be a public school teacher. Because we were talking about economics a while ago, di ba? When you're young, iniisip mo rent, iniisip mo other expenses, utilities, and whatever. So here, public school teacher, on a public school teacher's salary, she had severe and constant bleeding. Gynecological, di ba? Na severe and constant bleeding.
PCOS din. Lahat.
Because lahat, marami siyang...
Fatty liver.
Oo. So, the question is, yun nga, paano mo pabibilin niya ng expensive juicing, expensive supplements, and whatever? In her case, simple changes. Pantry swaps.
No, we work around it naman eh. Kung sabihin mo, Harvey, ito lang kaya ko. O di sige, we work around what you can do. The important thing is you're willing to do what
Yes.
to be ano. Kasi her famous line, my favorite line that she says before, sorry, I interrupted you, Isa. Yung line niya na, I'm so sick of being sick. That was really what was hard for her na talaga. Every birthday daw ng anak niya, nasa ER siya.
Either ER or hospital.
Yeah.
And funnily enough, when we did her testimony, when we did her shoot, birthday ng anak niya, wala sila sa ospital. Her daughter was okay. Kasi nga, I mean, syempre, price-wise and household budget-wise, you adjust.
Yes.
Diba? There was an adjustment. Pwedeng, tigil muna tayo sa some gastos sa mall on some weekends, not always, or something like that. But in her case nga, she was sick of being sick. So she chose.
Gastos din sa hospital eh.
Oo, gastos din sa hospital. Or going back nga to the younger crowd, you're in your 20s, hindi lang naman rent and whatever. I'm sure you spend a lot on trendy clothes. on gadgets.
Iced
because,
coffee.
Oh yeah, your coffee outside. There are things that, something's gotta give. You just have to make a choice.
By the way, that lady, she messaged me last month.
Yeah.
She told me she's pregnant.
Yeah.
Oh,
And they had a really hard
because-
time having the first
The first
child.
one.
Wow.
So,
so
yun,
nice.
the reason why she's my favorite is because, it proves na whatever socio-economic class you are, it's really a choice. It's really a choice.
I love learning more about nutrition and the right types of food to eat because I do see it in mga peers natin, 'di ba? Na yun nga, yung hard to get pregnant and then biglang because they fixed their eating, biglang miraculously it's changed for them, right? So I think it's important work what you guys are doing.
Yeah. So actually, that's why when you guys have your podcast, by the time this is out,
Kaya ba?
Yes, meron na.
meron na.
Meron na.
In 3 days?
Yeah, meron na.
Okay, we'll have
We'll
it.
link it in the show notes.
We'll have
Yeah.
it on the show notes. This episode is coming out on Monday, kasi.
Wow, okay, sige.
So
Na-fresh.
yeah.
Okay.
But anyway,
Surprise.
at least you guys could check it out.
Yes.
Good, and we'd love to have you guys again. All right.
Parting words, any words of wisdom?
Pizza tayo.
Jim Bacaro para sa Senado.
Senado, yun yung sasabihin ko, inagawan mo pa ako.
Okay, thank
Okay,
you.
thanks,
Thank you guys. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.